I will say this is very affordable. $8.99 for a table. That is a slay. That's a good price. Okay, so I don't think I'm finding anything in the furniture section. Not today, unless Arthur wants some like IKEA style furniture for $8.99. That's a steal. And it's in a not bad condition. You know? Okay, maybe not. But let's look at the decorations though. Julie, do they have a Habitat in Austin? You will find better stuff there. I can look. I can absolutely look. Look, this is cute. It's a little broken. But aren't we all? Oh no, who donated this? Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. The future belongs to those who challenge the present. I don't know if somebody surely they just upgraded, you know? Be brave. Oh, wait. Those are kind of cute. For the kitchen. Maybe not. You can tell this was such the fashion back in the day, you know? Be fearless, be good, be kind. And then the arrows, this is 2016 core. So somebody's giving away their stuff from 2016. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, nothing over here. I think that might be hand painted. Very slay. Oh, we have some wreaths. I did find a wreath outside, though. Okay, we have some Christmas stuff. Just selling anything. We have some jars of moss that somebody probably found on my 5-Minute Crafts. And then, oh my God, they're selling them individually. Oh my God, who gave this away? I could get Arthur. This is kind of cool. What is this? Napa style. 07. I mean, I shouldn't be laughing. We have some wooden chopping blocks. Oh. Well, okay. I am looking for more baskets, to be fair. Oh, Arthur might like this. Solid wood. $5.99. Oh, this is actually nice. How much is this? $5.99. I feel like I can find this somewhere else, though. That's maybe not, like, beaten up. Okay. Next aisle. Cute. I like the... Oh, kitchen. Oh. Somebody's used Brita filter. Da, 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 da. Oh my God, Chronomio. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chronomio. There's also one of these guys. Okay. Give thanks. Oh my God, I think the tariffs hit Goodwill. I think the tariffs hit the donated items. $8.99. This is plastic. There's no way. There's no way. Oh. This is not glass, that's plastic. Okay, I don't think this is a good location. It is very clean in here, though. Oh, we can look at the tech stuff for Arthur, too. Oh, what is this? General Toys. Oh, look at the plushies. These look actually pretty nice. Little dog toys. Little pads. Okay, let's look at the tech for Arthur. We have some coffee pots. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, and this one comes with coffee grounds. Just in case. Yum yum. I've always wanted an easy bake oven. Okay, I can't get it open. Okay, let's see. Arthur did say we needed a new camera. And what is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, look, Chad, it's you. What is this? Clocks? Oh, it is. That is interesting. You can wake up and stare at yourself and go, damn, I need to get up and get ready. Look, chat, it's an Acer monitor. How much is this? I don't know. We have some speakers. We have whatever 90s gadget this is. Oh, and a crock pot. $20? Did you see it says $20 somewhere? And some fans. Oh my god, we have a RoboVac. Oh my god. It doesn't come with the charging station. Okay. Ice cream maker and a hair roller. Somebody's mom used these a long time ago. Okay, chat, well, I will say I don't think we have any luck here. This is actually pretty nice. Oh, and Arthur used one of these yesterday. Oh my god, it's a Texas iron.